So it's Tuesday. I parked up here yesterday evening. Up there is a natural hot spring. Whenever we arrived yesterday, there were people in the water we could see from the distance. We didn't go over, but I'll go over today and have a look at it. Another nice day. We chill in the air, but nice t-shirt weather again. So we're heading up here. Fortified hill of Colonus. I always seem to be climbing. And of course this is when Molly stops pulling. I'm not sure if it's worth the climb. Worth the climb, you know. I do believe that's it. I was assuming this was a walk, but it's not. Oh! This could be. Oh, there's something else down there. There you go. There must be an Air Force base near here because on 2 occasions, I heard them last night during the night, but then today, I didn't get my camera out quick enough, but 2 jet fighters at low level came screaming along and passed in an instant. I'd need to be out like this whenever they go past to get them and follow. Not used to that at home either. Don't get too many jet fighters in Northern Ireland. I had to leave Buster in the motorhome. He's a dog with troubles. He's always been screwed up and took a long time, years for him to even warm to me. But he's been better since lockdown. He calmed down and got better, but for some reason about 2 days ago we got up in the morning and he was just angry and growling all the time at us. Jumped at Molly a couple of times, and then there was a girl come over and I said, no, don't go near him, he's a bit weird, he could snap at you. And she just come on over anyway, and he did. So I left him back there and hopefully he settles down. I haven't seen this sort of thing from him. That was one of my big worries with going away, bringing him, because he's such a hard dog to deal with. But he's been great for a long time. I think he's paranoid schizophrenic or something. He had a fall when he was young and hit his head. And I think I'm serious, I think it did him some harm. So we'll see how things are over the next couple of days, but he's no fun. When I go back to the van now, if I sit down, he'll growl, he gets really nasty looking. He looks like the devil. But we'll cope. So this has led to somewhere. The monument's actually here in remembrance of a battle that was fought in 480 BC. Now you want to stay when I go around this? Stay. No. You go the other way. Stay. No, stay. Stay. No. There you go, good girl. So we're heading over to the hot springs. I can also see old buildings there. It's unfortunate that this is beside a massive road. You know, there's all sorts of stuff here. That you can tell that is a wall, but it's now in the ground. There's that old building. There's more. That's probably part of the same wall. So this has definitely been something a very long time ago, but there's nothing to tell you what it is. Although I'll look it up when I get back to the van. I can see there's motorhomers here now as well. Lots of lime around as well. That's natural line, I would think. Molly looks like she's thinking, this is different. What type of water is this? This is moving really fast and there's steam coming off it. It's a lovely temperature. Cool bath temperature, I would say. If Molly get in there, she could have a good bath. Right? You get in? Come on. You gonna go in? Go on, big jump! Oh my god! Beautiful. No. Good girl! Good girl! Enjoy that? You want to go in again? Right, here we go, one more. Come on up. Go on. That's proper swimming now. She's not just trying to swim back, she's trying to swim out there. Good girl! Yep, yeah, that's lovely. Yep. Don't know what it is, very old, but certainly not ancient. I hadn't intended staying here for another night. It's a nice quiet wee spot. But I went to upload a video there and it's just incredibly slow. So it's just bad signal strength. So I'm going to head a wee bit further south. I'm not going too far. Trying to get into the coast, staying away from the main roads, and want to find somewhere to park up for the night. Not a motorhome site or anything, just somewhere nice and quiet where we're not going to be disturbing anybody. It's been a really nice drive. This is a spot, perfect, right at the very end, looking back. Nice and flat. We've travelled a fair bit in the last week. Didn't realise, nearly 550 miles, and it's getting warmer all the time. Just drove through the most amazing road through mountains and come to this hairpin bend. It's just beautiful. Absolutely, that's a lake. I don't know if that can be seen in the camera. The road, all that light white, you see there's the road winding and winding and winding. But it's beautiful, and I think that's a lake, but I'm not far from the sea. So, time for a coffee. Well, I was going to say I'll sit on the bench. I'm not sure how wise that would be. Beautiful day as well. I negotiated the table, survived it, it was alright. Looked like it was going to fall apart. So, onwards and upwards, let's go. I'm heading tonight for another wee coastal village. This time I'm going to a particular place. It's a restaurant where apparently very, very friendly family let you park in out their back, and they lock your van in for you at night and stuff like that. It's not a motorhome site or anything. I had a lovely day today. I'm very close to Athens now. I may go into Athens tomorrow, say, but what a lovely day, what a lovely setting. Time for a lovely meal, and that's it for today. So until next time, bye for now.